One last applying equations lesson. So this is our last part here, still involving mixture problems, but this is involving concentration levels. So it's going to be dealing with percentages. And it is going to be set up similar to the other mixture problem, that we can make a table to help us sort things out. So a chemist has a solution that is 3% alcohol in water. So that means 3% is alcohol, the rest of it, 97% is water. Another solution that's 8% alcohol. How many kilograms of each should he mix to make 12 kilograms of a 5% alcohol solution? So we have two that we're mixing together. And so we're going to set up this table just to label it. We have the 3% solution. So these are just our labels of our columns. We have an 8% solution. So this is similar to when we had our soft drinks and we had an orange soft drink and a lemon lime. And then we had the total, which is a 5%, or the mixture. And this was a 5% solution. And so we're going to make a table out of this. We're going to think through this again, similar to what we did before. And so we're going to have how many kilograms of each times how much is the percentage will give us how much alcohol is in each solution, the actual kilograms of alcohol. So we have the kilograms of the solution. It's tough. So the kilograms of the solution. We have the percent, that's alcohol. And then we have the total alcohol in each solution. So hopefully you see the difference here. This is your kilograms of the total solution. This is what percent is alcohol, and this is actually your total alcohol. So we'll have less alcohol than total solution. So thinking through this, we have a few unknowns. I should have pointed this out before. How many kilograms of each should be mixed to make the 12 kilograms? So how many of each? Well, we don't know these two right here. Kilograms of each of the solutions, and so those are unknowns. Again, there's not one that's being compared to, so we can go ahead and let x, I should have done this beforehand, let x equal the kilograms. So let's just put kg, kilograms of the 3% solution. And then we want to know, well, how many kilograms of the 8% solution do we have? And thinking through this, in the end, we want 12 kilograms of our solution, our 5% solution. So if x of them are at 3%, you can take that away from the total of 12, and that will give you how many are 8%. And so we have x. Obviously, the percent of alcohol is 3%, so 0.03. And the total alcohol there is just you multiply those together. 0.03 times x. Same idea. How many kilograms? Well, there's 12 minus x. The percentage is 8%, so 0.08. And how much total alcohol is there? Well, it's 0.08 times 12 minus x. And then the total mixture. So we actually have 12 at 5%. So the total alcohol here should be 12 times 5%, which is 0.6. And once again, we can have the alcohol in this first solution plus the alcohol in the second solution should give you your total alcohol. So we can say 0.03 plus 0.08 times 12 minus x is equal to 0.6. And then we can go through and solve this. we can distribute 0.08 times 12 is 0.96. And 8 minus 0.08x equals 0.6. We have some like terms to add. So we have negative 0.05x. At the same time, we'll go ahead and subtract this 0.96 from both sides. And we have 0.6 minus 0.96 is negative 0.36. Divide both sides by 0.05 or negative 0.05. Not x. We don't want to divide by x. Sorry about that. And so we want to do 0.36. We divide that and we get 7.2 kilograms because the x represented the number of kilograms of 3%. So of 3% solution. And then to find the 8% solution, we would do 12 minus 7.2, which gives us 4.8. So 4.8 kilograms of the 8% solution. So if you take these two things, mix them together, you will get 12 grams of a 5% alcohol solution. And so there's a mixture problem involving percentages. One thing that was not seen here that you might see sometime, it might say, well, if you're mixing it with pure water. So thinking through this, if you have a pure substance, pure water or pure alcohol, if it was a pure alcohol solution, what percentage is pure alcohol? Well, that's 100%. So realize if it says pure alcohol or pure something, that means you have 100% of that solution. So that would be just a 1 in this column.